What's up, guys? I got another parts video for you. Today I'm going to be going over the R154 slave cylinder. Just real quick, show you how to shim in and put it together. Alright, so in the box you're going to get your slave cylinder, you got your adapter plate, your clutch and bleeder line, your L bracket, and your pack of shims. L bracket prevents movement once it's bolted up inside the bell housing, just to prevent the bearing from moving clockwise or counterclockwise. So the common question we get is, where do the shims go? It's quite simple on this R154 bearing. There's a spacer plate that the shims slide over. It's very simple. Once you get your measurement and figure out how many shims you'll need, you just throw it on that plate, slide it back inside the slave cylinder, and now you have yourself your shim slave. Alright, so that sums up today's video. Make sure you check out our YouTube channel, leave us some likes, reviews, or some comments on what you'd like to see next.